Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you logical unary not operator. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Java logical unary not operator? Well, basically um, logical unary operator is used to ask Java like if if a small number is not greater than uh is not like is not greater than a bigger number. Like, to make sure that you understand better, I'm gonna be showing you some examples by using the logical unary operator. Okay, so first of all we'll start by writing int any variable name, like for example x is equals to um, um, 4. Okay, so this one will be our smallest value, and then we'll write int y is equals to int y is equals to 67. So this one is gonna be our bigger or greater, and yeah, it's like our bigger number. Yeah, so now we'll write system data.println. Inside these parentheses we'll write x. Yeah, x is greater than, or we can also write less than. Yeah, we'll write is less than y. Okay, so here we'll have to use like the logical unary not operator. Okay, so to use that we just have to add another parentheses. Yeah, and inside these parentheses we have to write the not, and wait a sec. Yeah, so um, just like that. So here we have to create another parenthesis and write the not, and then we have to put our condition inside these parentheses, and after that don't forget to write another parenthesis too, because you wrote you created another parenthesis, and you also need to end the parenthesis of this one, so that's why you have to write an extra parentheses. uh, yeah, so that's how we write that's how we write a condition by using the logical unary not operator. Okay, so now we can also write this exact same condition by using the if statement, the for loop, the while loop, and the do while loop. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you how to write this exact same condition, or by changing it a little bit by using the if statement, and by using the for loop. Okay, so to avoid any confusion, I'll just remove this system data.println. Okay, now we'll start off by writing if. Yeah, inside these parentheses we'll write x is greater than y, but we also have to use the logical unary operator, so yeah, don't forget it. Okay, so we have to add another extra curly braces, no, not curly braces, I mean extra parentheses, and then we have to write the not, and then we have to put our condition inside these parentheses, and then to end like this parenthesis. Wait, oops, I forgot to write it inside the parentheses. Yeah, so just like that. If, oops, I think they, yeah, okay, so just like that. Wait a sec. No, I think the previous code for, yeah, the previous one was good. Yeah, so now we just have to write this system.out.println. Yeah, inside these parentheses we'll write x. So here we're not asking Java if x is not greater than y, but instead we're telling Java or our compiler if if x is not greater than, or is if x is not greater than y, then our like Java, please print like the value of the variable x for us. So like whenever a condition is true, so Java like or our compiler will print it as print it for us. Yeah, so so it printed the value of the variable x, which is 4. Yeah, so that's because x is not greater than y. 4 is not greater than 67. And yes, that's true. 4 is not greater than 67, but it's less than 67. And so Java will accept it, and we will also accept it because like it makes logic, like it makes sense, you know. Yeah, so that's why. Okay, now so that's how to write the exact same condition, or wait, we can just change it a little bit too. Wait a sec. So so I'm just gonna like write the condition which is gonna be false, and whenever a condition is false, Java won't execute it for us. That's because um, uh, that's because like Java won't accept like what you are writing, and like Java won't accept, and like it doesn't make sense. Like 4 is not less than y, like it doesn't make sense. Like Java won't understand so it won't print it for you, so that's why. Okay, now I'm gonna be showing you how to write this exact same condition, or by changing it a little bit by using the for loop. Okay, so let's just first of all, we'll just start off by writing for, and then always like inside these parentheses, um, we'll write x. No, we can also change like the value of the variable x, so we can set it to 4, and then we can also do x is yeah. Now we can also write it inside this just like that, and then we can write x is greater than y, and then we can also end it like this, and boom. Cannot cast from into void. Oh, I think there must, I think that the we can't write it inside the for loop, I guess, or maybe we can, because before it used to work, I guess. Syntax error, delete this token. Okay, so wait, let me just fix this error. Um, yeah. Um, I think there must have been like missing curly brace or stuff like that. No, there's no error. Yeah, I think like it won't work by using the for loop. So I guess it will work by using the while loop. Okay, so I'll just change it. Okay, I think it won't work by using the while loop, or by using the for loop, I mean. Sorry. Yeah, so it's just like for loop. We have to write the curly brace while so we have to write another parentheses, and then not, and then we have to write our like condition x is greater than y. Yeah, so and then we have to add another like just like that. So we have to write it like this. So it means that while, so it's just like if statement. Okay, so while um, x is not greater than y, then we have to like tell Java to do what to do. So when x is not greater than y, so Java like please print me for me the value of the variable y, not the letter y. But if you want to print the letter y, you have to write it in the in these quotation marks, and then it will print the yeah, it will keep printing the yeah, it will keep printing the letter Y, I mean. Okay, so yeah, so wait a sec. Okay, so we can also set a limit where, like, how many times it can print the value of the variable y, or just by printing the letter y. So yeah, so this change this condition a little bit. So to set yeah, so to set a limit, like how many times it will print like the value of the variable y, like instead of printing like till infinity, like we can just set it by creating by making like another variable. Then so we'll start off by writing int a is equals to, yeah, int a is equals to 67, no, 80, 85. Okay, 85. Wait a sec. Yeah, I will just add some space, or never mind, I guess it looks fine. Okay, so yeah, we'll have to change the condition a little bit. Okay, so just look what I am doing. So yeah, so while inside this parentheses we'll write a, yeah, a is, so yeah, a is less than, no, yeah, a is less than 10. So yeah, so here we're just simply setting the limit, like how many times it will print the value of the variable y. Okay, so like to print it like 10 times, like we have to write like the increment. So it will like keep adding and then keep like printing like the variable, like the value of the variable y. So that's why we have to use the incrementation. So yeah, after like in the while loop, after the system.out.println, we'll write a plus plus, I mean, sorry, not I plus plus, yeah, a plus plus. Okay, so when we execute this code, yeah, so it's gonna give us the result nothing. Yeah, so yeah, so been an error in the curly braces. Let me just check. Oh, wait, yeah, it's still printing nothing. Oh yeah, that's why I just wrote the variable y instead of the variable a, so that's why it wasn't printing. um Wait, let me just no, wait, let's just check the error together. While a is, oh, okay, int a is equals to 0, not 85. Yeah, because 85 is not less than 10, so that's why. So as you can see, it's printing the value of the variable a 9 times, not 10 times. That's because we have to put the a is less than or equal to 10. So when we put equal to 10, so it's gonna print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 9, 10. So but when you like forget to put like the equal, or you just like write the less than, then it's just gonna print till 9. It won't print till 10. That's because like it starts with 0, and so that's why, like, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like like it will only end up with 9, the number 9, when you like start counting with the 0. So that's why it's only gonna yeah, so that's why it's only gonna like increment 9 times, like till 9. Yeah, it won't increment like 10, like, yeah, 10 times. So, and yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so it will remind you whenever I upload a video. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.